Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review, I want to talk to you about Fast Commission Generator. Now, Fast Commission Generator is a product that is by Jason Fulton and Sean Ngundelli, and it's due to be released on May the 3rd at 10 a.m. Eastern. Now, this is a product that basically concentrates around collecting email leads that you can use in your business to generate money. Now, the way they collect email leads is a little bit dodgy as far as I'm concerned. So I want to go through that. So stick around. I'm going to go into that in a little bit of detail, and then you can decide whether it's something that you're willing to take a risk on for your own business. So guys, let's jump straight inside the software and I'll actually show you what this is all about. So guys, we're inside the dashboard now. The whole point of this is that they're trying to get you to use something called a lead grabber to collect email addresses to then feed into this system where they're providing you a place that you can build a simple email to send to those folks. And also there's various functionality that allows you to build super simple, very low quality landing pages to send those people. The problem with this is that this lead grabber is a tool that you actually have as a Google extension. I'm going to show you what that is. And it goes out and it just collects random emails from people. And they're saying it's based on a keyword, so that it's more targeted. But quite frankly, you are scraping emails off the internet that you have got no right to actually have. That is very unethical and it's not the way to actually build a business. But I'm going to actually show you what this lead grabber does so that you can understand exactly what this is all about. So if you go into your actual Google extensions, you'll have this once you downloaded the software. And this is a piece of software that's actually still for sale on a site called Code Canyon. And this software is no longer being supported by this guy. And also he said at the bottom, this tool is not associated with any brand or website. We do not take any responsibility on how you use this tool. It simply automates things that you can easily do manually. So the idea is that you go out to all various websites and collect any available email addresses they put on those websites. But let me just show you the screenshot. You can see that this is a very, very similar, if not the same tool to this one I've just had. One thing I've just noticed is every single time you actually close this, the tool disappears, which is a bit annoying. So this is your lead grabber. So what you do is you go into the settings and you put a keyword in here and you can grab website leads, Facebook leads, Instagram leads, Google search, Yahoo search or Bing search. So I'm just going to put make money online in here and then we're going to see what it brings back as a search. So the first thing I do is I search for the leads and you'll see it starts triggering a search within Google and it'll take all of these types of leads from these pages. But one thing is, guys, what do you think the email addresses that are publicly shown on these actual pages are going to be? What do you think they show on all of their contact us pages? They usually show their admin emails that are not actually directed to one person. So if you go ahead and use any of these emails in your own campaigning, you'll end up emailing some random info email with nobody there that's actually going to ever be interested in an offer that you send, especially the ones that they're going to show you within this software, which are super low quality, super spammy, and have got no real value to anybody. And you're going to be sending them to, quite honestly, admin staff within some of these emails. So it's not that particularly great quality. And you know, the software itself is very clunky and it's bringing back all sorts of weird and wonderful results. So we'll just take a second here and I'll actually wait for it to bring back some results so I can show you exactly what it's doing. So on that keyword make money online, which is a huge keyword, it's actually brought back some of these results. And you'll see it's World of Money Online, Online Money Advisor. These guys in the background, you can see it actually going off and trying to scrape the emails from these various sites. And look at what it's doing here. It's actually going to all the contact us websites or parts of the actual pages, which is not going to give you anybody who's interested in any kind of affiliate offers that you have. So if I just go back to the software, the annoying thing about this software is it keeps turning off. By the way, after this review, I'm going to get rid of this software. This is incredibly spammy and low quality. But you come through here, you also have a hidehousing.co.uk, Newport City Homes, because I'm based in Newport, so it's obviously doing some kind of tracking on me. Northamptonshire org.uk, what's that got to do with make money online? You saw what I wrote in there. Now when you go over to here, it's actually going to start giving you the emails. And the emails are things like partnerships at World of Money, press at World of Money, info onlineadvisor.co. You know, this is a terrible piece of software that's going to bring you back absolute nonsense, which you cannot really use anyway. So the first thing about this is the whole thing around scraping is a complete waste of time, and you're actually just going to end up with a bunch of really poor kind of untargeted emails, which you're going to try and then send some random offer to. That's the first part of this. It also goes ahead and scrapes any kind of available telephone number from these particular websites. And again, they want you to WhatsApp or send a message to those telephone numbers with an offer on. But again, if you ever get them on your own phone, like I do, they're going to go straight into your delete folder, right? You're not going to answer any of those types of messages. You're just going to delete them randomly, especially these guys who have no idea who you are and why you just sent a message. So guys, these email addresses are going to go absolutely nowhere, and most of them are going to end up in your spam folder anyway on anybody's email autoresponder, especially coming from very low quality pieces of software like this, where they're actually asking you to send the emails from this piece of software. So that's a big issue, right? Now, if I just come over to my kind of legal thing here, which is a bit boring for most, but if you think about Europe, GDPR regulations in Europe actually state that you're not allowed to scrape any kind of emails from anywhere. So it actually says here, GDPR is going to impact web scraping unless you have the person's explicit consent. It is now illegal to scrape an EU resident's personal data under GDPR. Personal data includes things like physical address, email address, phone number, blah, blah, blah. So you guys, you can't do it in Europe. And if we just look at the Canned Spam Act of 2003, which covers things like the US and Canada, they're actually saying you're not allowed to harvest electronic email addresses of the users of a website, proprietary service, or any other online public forum operated by another person without the authorization of such person. So basically, anybody can report you at any stage for sending unsolicited emails, and your business can be shut down instantly. Now, maybe you don't care about that, and this could be something that you're willing to take a chance with. But if you're serious about building a business online, you've got to keep well away from this type of software, because this is extremely unethical, and you're just not allowed to do it, guys. You're really not. So if I just jump back to the software, again, this has been running for a while now, and out of the Make Money Online query I gave it, it's given me 4 very, very poor email addresses. So to me, this is just a piece of junk software, and all you're doing is actually creating spam. So I just come back to the members area. This is what this this lead grabber actually does. SMS function is here. Apparently you can put an SMS message in there, and you can paste a bunch of numbers in there and then send. Unbelievable. I'm astounded that they're actually trying to sell you this as if it's a Make Money Online tool. Their offers are here. These are all really poor offers, and Prequel, UProfito, it's all their own offers. So they're actually asking you to spam other people with their offers so that they'll get a cut of the money, and it's really poor. And then these are all just random affiliate offers that you can go ahead and get anyway. So guys, I'm actually going to leave some videos below. One is how to create a landing page, and one is how to make lead magnets, and they'll help you understand how you can actually do this and create an email list yourself without resorting to this kind of rubbish software. It really will. And so you can go ahead and check them out. But if I was you, I'd keep well clear of this type of thing, because I don't think it's going to bring you any value. Now, if I go back to the sales page itself, apparently you just activate this lead grabber. You blast your hot leads with SMS and emails on their own responder, which, by the way, in this version isn't working. And you put everything on autopilot and daily leads and commissions. Now, these are all made up. These are just graphics. But I want to just show you something a little bit further down. So here's what they actually state are the benefits of this. There's no monthly fees like most autoresponders. The reason that monthly autoresponders have monthly fees is they're maintained on a regular basis, and there's a lot of checks and balances when you're using things like email marketing to make sure that you're being compliant, and that's what a lot of these autoresponders do. So that's not a bad thing. There's no risk. You can send as many emails as you want without the fear of getting your IP address blacklisted. Absolute nonsense. That's not going to be the case here. You're actually risking your whole business and serious fines if you get caught using software like this. Delivery rates are high. Delivery rates at emails like the ones that go to About Me type pages and the Contact Us type pages, they're going to be nonsense. They're going to end up in most people's spam. They're not going to be high at all. No more getting blocked or tagged as spam. This is literally a piece of software that generates spam. It literally is what it is, right? So every single point on here is nonsense, these sales page. So, you know, guys, you need to keep away from these types of products. Whatever it says in a sales page, however they kind of suck you in with the emotional thing about making money, this is not the way to do it. So guys, I just jumped over to the funnel and look at the state of this funnel. This is huge, and you could be spending upwards of nearly $500-600 on this if you went for this whole funnel. So the front end is $17. The OTO1 is the unlimited version is $37, and it goes down to $32 on the downsell. The second number is always going to be the downsell. The done for you version is $197 down to $97. The profit boost is $47 down to $27. The advanced 500x, some kind of email marketing course, is $67 down to $37. The autopilot version is $77 down to $37. The license rights is $197 down to $147. Why you would want to sell this to somebody else, I'll never know. High ticket paydays is $47 down to $27. The affiliate machine is $37 down to $17. And the fast cash generator is $16 down to $26, some kind of 2 billion lead source. So I don't know if that's a repeat of the top one, but guys, this is just a nonsense product. You need to keep away from these types of products. They're going to give you absolutely no value. Any affiliate on here that's promoting this is literally asking you to get yourself in trouble to make a few dollars. So guys, in my opinion, this is worth absolutely nothing out of 10, because I don't think that this is anything that anybody should be taking a risk by doing. So guys, I hope that's of value to you. I really want to make sure that you don't get in trouble using any kind of these type of silly methods online. If you haven't been over to our channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell so I can let you know whenever I release new videos. And if you're interested in picking up our free affiliate marketing training, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process of building an affiliate marketing business online completely for free. Until next time guys, take care.